Hello everyone. I would like to present you a trick what I have according the printing of ABS. Before I printing with ABS, I am only use PLA for printing. The PLA, it's easier to print and it has some other advantages for the beginner, and I have by couple of months ABS and my PLA was over and I am enforced to use ABS. I have tried several times to print with ABS and every time I failed. What was the problem? The main problem what I have is here, this heat bed, it's not so well, because the maximum temperature what I have got with this heat bed and with this power was 80 degrees. And after a while, when he start to printing, he lost the adhesive to the bed and the printing was failed. Now I'm thinking about what can I do to avoid this. One of the idea, or what I have read in the internet, is to use a glue stick. The glue stick I have tried. The problem is the heat bed goes up, the glue will dry, and then I cannot print it on it because it's like not gluing anymore. And then I thinking about what I can do else. What is the part why we are use glue stick? This is the first thinking of it, and this is it's glue, yeah. And but when it's not gluing on my heat bed, what can I do else? And the idea is to take a double-side adhesive tape. But the double-side adhesive tape, to find a good one that it's thin, it's not too sticky, it's good removable, and so on, I am not able to find someone. Then I have got an idea. The idea is why I don't use the glue stick in combination with an adhesive tape for the package adhesive. I use this adhesive tape. This is very thin and it's not too sticky on this side. It's able that I can put my finger on it. I use this adhesive tape for my printing. Now the first step what I need is I put some glue on the heat bed. Not too thick, only a thin part, because when it's too much, it's not so good, because then it's the plane not even. Then I take here a little bit water, only or wet, a little bit water, and make it a little bit wet here. So that's all. And then I take some of the tape, glue on the middle of it, so the stick side of the tape is up, not down. Even when we have a little bit bubble on it, it's not so important. It's the bubbles should not too big, but when we have someone on it, it's okay. So, what is the next step? The next step is to start the printing. you can see it's stick very good in the first layer. So the printing is ready, and here you are. I will show you how easy it is to take off this puppy out of the bed. And this is the result. This is I am throwing away, and yeah, perfect. By the way, when I open the window and cold air goes through or over the heat bed is off, I have no problem with that. And when you use a 3D printer and you work in the same room, it's better when you open the window so that you get fresh air on it. And with this trick, it is possible that I can open the windows and working in the same room without any problems. Yes, this is my trick. If you like my trick, you can give me a thumb up for this video. And I am very interested what your comment is for this trick. Bye bye.